I'm just going to give a little, there's a little sneak. You can just hold that for a second. But what I do have is Brett's bag. And you know, nobody loves a Brett's bag more than me. Talking about bags.
Did you say Brett's ball bag? Jeez, how good was Dan?
You didn't even make it into the studio and the debauchery was preceding you.
I've been standing outside listening to Brother Dan.
He's all right.
It's pretty good for his first time.
He's got a personality for a modeler.
Yeah, which is a very rare thing.
No. It's
no.
really good, and he knows his stuff. He taught me about some glues, and
so he was actually talking real stuff instead of what Kobe used to say.
That is really cool. Hey, I got a bag. And I've got a bit of you on the bench, but we'll get to that in a second.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a look in my bag?
I thought you'd never ask.
Wow. That is Friday.
It is Friday.
That is Friday.
As we saw on that video earlier.
That is Friday, and we all know that it's Heels Friday.
Yep.
Ready? Ready for the big reveal?
Jeez.
I'm going to put me in. Uh-oh. What did I do there? Push the wrong button. Is our audio still on?
What is that?
That is a bag of green. It feels like I talk about this all the time, and at the same time, I'm also whinging about never having enough of it.
Yeah, because
no?
It sells out. I mean, it's not as good as Mission Brown silicone wire. Which
well, I look forward to a build containing Mission Brown soldering wire.
Yep.
Here we have a fresh shipment from Team Cayote. Team Cayote are running amok, aren't they, worldwide? They did really good at ETS. I know they're getting pumped for the Worlds. I know Oscar wants nothing more than to win his first world championship title.
Well, he has won them, but in a previous life.
In a previous brand.
But Oscar Jansen, in case you don't know who we're talking about, is the head honcho at Coyote. Used to be the man at Orion.
Orion, back in the last of the brushed days and the first of the brushless. Yeah. Anyway, Team Coyote. We have got the Aura Green, Coyote Green cable, both in 13 gauge and 11. And I do highly recommend the 13 gauge.
I know why too.
And I've never used it. But I have used the 11 gauge quite a lot, and it looks really cool. But I always still swear at it because it is 8 scale cable, right? This is designed for 8 scale applications where you have more space, you have more room, you have bigger posts. You know, you don't need the you don't need
11 gauge in a 10 scale car,
particularly in a 21.5. But it looks cool as F.
Yeah, it's like having a big fat tire on your car. It just looks cool. Fat wire looks cool too.
I thought you were going to say something else then.
Oh, maybe I will yet. We haven't finished the live.
It's going to be thick and girthy.
Yeah.
Boom. Crest X Evo back. The hottest speed controller in modified applications. Boom. RS80.
If we had some sliced bread here, you wouldn't even see it next to the Coyotes.
No, that's right. That's right. And of course, we've got a restock of the 7,000 Touring packs. Tourer packs? TC packs. Touring car on road. And the 68s. I cannot understand for the life of me why these two packs are so popular. And people will argue about 68 or 7,000, but that's why they're fast, right?
Yeah. Yeah, well, they're all faster than you and me. So
200 milliamps, I really can't see the fuss, but but they clearly can. And this is by far the most popular battery we sell
ever.
And you know what? It's $80.
Yeah, that's insane.
This is can't even. It's so small the camera can pick it up. This is the Team Coyote 4600. Look how small it is.
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
I should remember how much it weighs, and it's something ridiculous like 160 grams. I can't remember now. Don't quote me on that because I'm probably wrong.
You actually need to buy a second one to bring your car up to weight.
Yeah, just to put them in.
Yeah,
super powerful, super light. If you run off-road, this, I'm telling you now, this is the battery that you want in your car. This is absolutely awesome. The 4600. Going to put that back in there. Beautiful packaging, by the way. Beautiful.
Yes, it's very
except for that one.
Very iPhone-esque in the way that they put so much time into packaging, and it just makes it look cool.
No pun intended.
No.
Lipo bags. I know it's a touchy subject, and we both suffer PTSD from it.
Look,
But
I may have set 1 or 2 batteries on fire. But, you know, mistakes are made.
Mistakes are made, but it wasn't a lipo bag. Anyway,
No.
this is a new one from Coyote. And what I love about it, and there was nothing wrong with the last one, if I may add,
No.
but I cannot believe the thickness and the substance of this one.
Yeah.
They're usually quite flimsy and lightweight,
Yeah.
right? This is like triple layer thick. I don't know how to say it, but it is girthy. There's a lot to this, and I wouldn't tempt anybody to put a 6S in there and do something silly, but it's going to withstand a lot, right?
Yeah.
So for safety's sake, and for the best looking pit table in the RC, in the pits, in the race meeting,
Yep.
you need this in your hand on your bench with your batteries in on charge.
And
Whether you like to charge at 5 amps or 50 amps, this is the lipo sack for you.
And I've got a $1,200 bill that says it's worth putting them in this.
Really?
What?
You burned a bit of stuff that day, huh? Tire warmers, cards, bodies,
Yeah, bodies,
charger,
a 4-port charger.
tire warmers.
Yeah,
They
two battery packs.
they copped it.
Yeah, it's, you know, but I'm not bitter and twisted about it.
No, wouldn't
Not
be.
much. No, actually, it was in the lipo bag.
It was.
It was.
that's what I
Yeah,
mean,
they're both in the lipo. So
And I can
I did
still-
the right thing, and it's still.
I can still taste it.
It's still, yeah. And when I bring out the pit mats, because I've got 2 sweet pit mats, and the one's got a big burn in it.
Yeah, I've got
I make Timmy use that one.
I've too got my favorite pit mat, which has got like speckles,
And I've still got a our big,
and my tire warmer screen's got
Yeah.
speckles on it
yeah.
from ash.
Yeah, that's the sort of history you can't buy.
That's you can't buy that.
Yeah,
You can't
yeah.
replace it.
You can't. It's just a fine thing. And
But,
then,
but these batteries won't do that. They shouldn't do that. They won't do
to
that.
be fair, it wasn't
To
a
be fair.
Coyote battery that blew up.
No, it was not. And the B tunes are back.